All right, here's the fence. Finally done. Just paid the contractor. You see how it's mounted right up here. It's mounted really well. It's now also mounted really well here, all the way down to the ground. See, all the way to the ground. It's like a green vinyl. So it's not, doesn't sound like chain link, you know what I mean? We needed this to maintain our dog presence. You can see the fence all the way down. Little gap there, but we'll fill that with a couple of rocks. No big deal. And we'll make it wiener proof with some long rocks. You see the sturdier posts here. The gate posts are a little bit sturdier. Here's another gate post here. It's a 10-foot gate. See that smaller post there. And here we go. Here we go. Man, that opens real smooth there. Really smooth. And this one, I'm just going to leave in there. He just poured the concrete. So he covered it with a little bit so it won't get wet because it's supposed to rain. But I'm going to leave that there. But regardless, it's a 10-foot gate that opens up wide. So you can see the full extent of the fence there. Oops, that's a little high, isn't it? Let's try that. See the full extent of the fence there? Yeah. You can also see the brush pile back here. We had to cut down a couple of trees and some bushes over there. Fence pole, or he's got a heavy pole on the gate, or medium duty pole on the gate, medium duty pole on the corner, and then all the way down. See all the way down to the property. So, this is the edge of it over here. This is an anti-winter device. I had this created because I know that wiener dog could wrap around this. So instead of just, he was going to anchor it in right here and then just kind of hang out a little bit right there. But a wiener dog can put her back paws here and her front paws here and just wrap around. Dook! So that wouldn't be good. So I had this made. See that there? Pretty cool. It's the anti-wiener device. And that's the fence on this side. Let's go to the other side. All right, here we go. Now we're on the other side. See the gate here on the other side we're going to go look at. All the way down on the other side of the... can't really see it from here. It's kind of invisible. That's kind of the idea. It's green. All right, let's get under here. So we got some extra chain link. And he put it right next to the foundation. And then up here, you see the pole? Solid. Goes all the way up. There's no wiener getting through there. No wiener getting through there. See that there? All the way down. And then all the way down here. Ooh, little trip there. These are light duty poles right here. And this is part of what I negotiated. In the bid, he had included all medium duty poles like this. I said, no. Some light duty poles in there for these. These are just runners. And also this runner here, this railing, he had included medium duty. I said, no, let's just get a light duty railing, man. This is not really to hold people in. This is an honest people fence. This is only 5 feet tall. I mean, if you want, someone really wants to get over it, they're going to get over it, or they'll come to the gate. Here's another 10-foot gate. You can see how you would get down. You'd come in down there. And you can see the 10-foot gate there. Solid. See, concrete's still wet even. He just poured that. That was one of the things I made him do before he left. See, the sun is just going down over there. Actually, that's, yep, yeah, that's just the end of it. So nice, big, long 10-foot gate here. Nice hinges and a little rub in there. Yeah, who cares? Medium pole right here, holding it all together, a corner pole. Some nice big corner poles here. Man, that pole is really stout. I tell you what, it's in the ground an extra foot. Looks good all the way down. You can see here. So there's quite a slope here, and he didn't want it to go down, or like, he didn't want it to go, down like that. So he dug out right there. I'll show you seeds. Started digging here. Dug it out right here. Dug out, he buried it again. Definitely anti-winter. It's a little bit shorter here. Like here, it's probably 48 inches. Maybe, it's more than that. It's more than 4 feet. But regardless, it's not 5 feet. But that's okay. Got another anti-winter device over here, as you can see. Nice, large anti-winter. No winter dog getting through that. I am going to have to move the burn pile. I have to move it over a few feet. But ultimately, man, that looks pretty good. It looks pretty sharp. It's green, so it kind of blends in. Nice big gate, nice big 10-foot gate so that you can kind of see the path. We can get a pickup truck back up in here if we need to.